Hello, I am Prathamsa and this is my video demo report for MAD1 project. Brief about myself, I am a third year student pursuing dual degree with offline BE in CS from GTU and online IITM BS in data science. My roll number for IITM degree is 23F 2003391. So let's get started. The project title is Vehicle Parking App V1 and the project statement is it is a multi-user app. One requires an administrator and other users that manages different parking lots, parking spots, and parked vehicles. Assume that this parking app is for four-wheeler parking. One of the key requirements was that the admin should be predefined. So let's open VS Code. Okay. As you can see from my code, the admin is already predefined with username admin@mail.com and password admin123. Let me delete the instance folder. Okay. And let's run the Python 3 app again. Instance is created. Okay. Admin login, admin@mail.com, password admin123. So password, yes, it's correct. As then there are no parking lots, no users, and no parking records also. Let's create a lot. Name T1, price 250, address Cinderburn Road, Ahmedabad. Pin code needs to be of 6 digits. So if I enter a 5 digit, should show an error. Add lot, yes, it does show an error. Add lot. I can I can deactivate the lot, I can update the lot, I can increase the number of spots, I also can decrease the number of spots. Also, I can individually deactivate a spot. Activate, deactivate. Okay, done. And it all reflects here. Let's add another lot. P2, price it's 300. Address, only Road, Ahmedabad. Pin code 380062. Number of spots 15. Add lot. Parallelly, let's create the user. I will open in a new private window for ease of switching back and forth. My username Prathamsa. Age 20. Email pratham@mail.com. Password pratham123. So password yes. Pratham 123 and password matches. Register. As usual, no current active parking session, no previous parking session, and no history as well. So let's book a spot in SBR. Book P1. These are the predefined fields and they cannot be changed. Vehicle number. This will show an error as it's not up to the standard. It should be something like QW 12 ER 3456. Reserve. Okay. As you can see, the current reservation is under the active parking section. Before in the dashboard, it was saying welcome Pratham Sir. Now let's edit the profile. Name Pratham and username equals to prath@mail.com. Password Pratham1. Save changes and it reflects here. We can also test it again by using user login. Prath@mail.com. Password Pratham1. Grow password yes. Okay, then let's go to admin. And when we refresh the page, the spot is seen as occupied, and we have all the details: the user ID, vehicle number, and the start time. Cool. We cannot deactivate the spot unlike other spots. Let's deactivate, activate. Let's edit a whole lot. Let's say T2 price per hour. Okay, I want to increase the price per hour to 350 and change the name to T3. Number of spots to 20. Update log. It reflects. And in our user dashboard, let's add another spot. Amli. Okay, Amli Road book. Again, vehicle number, let's say GJ01 ASDF 23. No, not ASDF. 2345 would have given an error. Currently, there is no chart summary. Okay. And when we refresh the page, again, it's showing occupied. In parking records also, there are 2 active spots that are currently occupied. And in user details, you can see more details such as username, spot ID, lot name, and its parking time, living time, and also the total cost. As living time and total cost won't be calculated yet because it's active. Well, let me release a spot. Okay, release the second spot. Release. Now it's a the second spot is been shifted from active parking to recent parking history. And also I have added in recent parking history to view only 3 recent parking histories only, not the whole lot. For to preview the whole parking history, you need to view it on parking history tab. Details are there. This is a non-editable form, so it's off, no worries. Also, we can view it from here as well. Okay, let me release this pretty spot as well. In now there will be charts and summaries. As you can see, it's the time spent in each formula. It's skewed because I have my y-axis is in hours, so and we haven't clearly spent enough time. And the cost spent, it's 14 rupees in T1 and 4.8 in T3 as well. Number of times visited, it's 1 only. Okay, let me log out. And dashboard, both the spots will change to available from occupied. And in uh, parking records have also been updated. User details will also be updated. And in the summary, we can have charts. So currently in T1, there are no occupied or inactive spots. In T3, also no occupied and inactive spots. This is the total number of spots available, and this is the revenue by a lot. If we want to check it, I can just deactivate a spot. Let's say 2 spots deactivated. 3, okay. And here also, let me change to 15. So 5 of the spots will be deactivated. Summary, yeah, it's reflecting here. Dashboard, okay. So thank you.